All right. Hey there. Welcome aboard. One of the things that I have done is added you to the Expedition Money website here. And one of the things that I want to do here, and I'm going to grant you permission to be a user manager, which means you can add users into Expedition Money for free. And that's going to really allow you to talk to someone, a business owner, an organization leader, a credit union marketing director, something like that, and give them free access to the system. Now, that is not going to allow them to add whoever they want. They can't add anyone beyond that. It's just a user account for them, but it's really just so that they can experience it and see what it's like. It can be a better, a more immersive way for them to experience it than even just trying to talk about it. So that's why you have access to add them so that they can go in at their leisure. Sometimes we don't have a lot of time with someone, only a couple minutes to give them the overview, but when you add that account, they can log in later that day, a few days later, get some experience with it. And so that's one of the nice things about it. Now, you will be able to do this for free, and I want to show you how to do it. So when you go to the website, you're going to just log in yourself, and I'm set up as a user manager, which you will be. And so when you log in, the first thing you're going to do, as I mentioned, it's going to go to your Expedition Money dashboard, right? So this is where you're going to be able to see reports and manage the users. And then when you're in here, what you're just going to do is you're going to go down here to users, and then you're going to add users. Now, my experience with this is that instead of trying to pick a username, I would just put in their email address, whatever the user email actually is, like this. And I usually just paste the email address into username and email, and then just leave this. If it shows it, the role is going to be user, and you won't have to do any of this stuff. So just put in their email address, both places, username, email, go down here and add user. And now they will be added as a user here. They will get an email that welcomes them, asks them to set a password, and then they will go in. And what you will be able to do is you'll be able to go here and see, obviously, when you added them, but this last activity date shows when they logged in. So what I can do here is I can see the date and time that they logged in. So you'll know if they actually came in and tried it out, or if they haven't gotten there yet. And this can be an opportunity to follow up with them and say, hey, I noticed you haven't gotten in yet. Anything I can do to help you with that? Any questions? Maybe you didn't get the email. We can resend that. Or maybe they did, and now you can say, hey, I saw that you logged in. Maybe you took a look around. Do you have any thoughts, any first impressions of the site, or any questions for me as a follow-up? So that is going to be enabled for you. So that just helps you during that sales process. And then obviously, as I mentioned here, most people will just go straight into the site, and you can get there by clicking on the logo right here. So when you click on that, that'll take you directly into the site itself, which is what every other user will see and what that person will actually see when they log in. So if you have any questions about that, just let me know, and good luck out there. I'll see you soon.